What's up everyone, it's Kareem and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into the world of multimedia content creation. Whether you're just starting out or you're a seasoned pro looking to refine your skills, this video is your one-stop shop for taking your content to the next level. We're breaking down the entire process into 5 easy-to-follow steps, from understanding the basics of multimedia to mastering the tools you need to create engaging and impactful content. We'll be covering everything from planning and scripting to visual design and audio production. So, if you're ready to unleash your creativity and captivate your audience, buckle up and let's get started. Alright, let's kick things off by breaking down what multimedia content actually is. At its core, it's all about combining different forms of media to tell a story, share information, or evoke an emotion. Think text, images, audio, video, even animation, all working together in perfect harmony. Now you might be thinking, Kareem, that sounds complicated. But trust me, it doesn't have to be. Even something as simple as adding background music to a slideshow or incorporating a few graphics into your presentation can make a world of difference. The beauty of multimedia is that it allows you to engage your audience on multiple levels. It's like the difference between reading a plain text document and experiencing a visually stunning website with interactive elements. And the best part? Creating compelling multimedia content is easier than ever thanks to the incredible tools available today. Speaking of tools,
having the right tools for the job can make all the difference. And in the world of multimedia content creation, there's no shortage of amazing options to choose from. From graphic design to video editing and audio mastering, the right tools can elevate your work to professional levels. But don't worry, we're not going to overwhelm you with a million different programs. Instead, we'll guide you through a curated selection of tools that are both powerful and easy to use. Instead, we're focusing on 3 powerhouse tools that are user-friendly, versatile, and perfect for both beginners and experienced creators. These tools will help you streamline your workflow and produce high-quality content with ease. First up, we have Canva. This tool is a favorite among designers alike. Canva is a graphic design platform that makes creating stunning visuals incredibly intuitive. Its drag-and-drop interface and extensive library of templates and elements make it accessible to everyone. Whether you need to design a YouTube thumbnail, put together an engaging Instagram post, or even create a professional-looking presentation, Canva has got you covered. You can also collaborate with team members in real time, making it a great tool for group projects. Next, we have iMovie. This video editing software is a game changer for anyone looking to create high-quality videos without needing a degree in film production. It's perfect for creating everything from short clips to full-length movies. iMovie's drag-and-drop interface makes it easy to trim clips, add transitions, incorporate music, and so much more. You can also add special effects, text overlays, and even green screen effects to make your videos stand out. And finally, no multimedia project is complete without crystal clear audio. Good audio quality can make or break your project, and that's why it's essential to use the right tools. That's where Audacity comes in. This powerful audio editor is perfect for both beginners and professionals. This free, open-source audio editor is a must-have for recording, editing, and mastering your audio tracks. With Audacity, you can remove background noise, adjust levels, and apply various effects to enhance your audio quality. It's a versatile tool that can handle everything from simple voice recordings to complex multi-track projects. By using these 3 tools, Canva, iMovie, and Audacity, you'll be well equipped to tackle any multimedia project with confidence and creativity. So go ahead and explore these tools to see how they can transform your content creation process.
Chapter 3. Planning and Scripting, your blueprint for success. Now that we've got our tools sorted, it's time to talk about the often overlooked but absolutely crucial stage of multimedia content creation, planning and scripting. This stage is the backbone of your entire project, the blueprint that will guide you from concept to completion. Think of this stage as laying the foundation for a skyscraper. Just as a building needs a strong base to stand tall, your project needs a well-thought-out plan to succeed. Without a solid plan, your project could quickly crumble. Imagine trying to build a house without a blueprint. It would be chaotic and likely end in disaster. So where do you start? The first step is to get clear on your vision. It's all about defining your goals. What do you want to achieve with this project? Are you looking to inform, entertain, or persuade your audience? What message are you trying to convey? Your message should be clear and concise, something that resonates with your audience. Who is your target audience? Understanding who you are speaking to will help you tailor your content to meet their needs and interests. What action do you want them to take after experiencing your content? Whether it's subscribing to a newsletter, purchasing a product, or simply sharing your content, having a clear call to action is essential. Once you have a clear understanding of your objectives, you can start brainstorming ideas and outlining your content. This is the creative phase where you let your imagination run wild. This is where a storyboard comes in handy. A storyboard helps you visualize your project, breaking it down into manageable pieces. A storyboard is essentially a visual representation of your project, breaking it down shot by shot or scene by scene. It allows you to see the flow of your content and make adjustments before you start production. You can use simple sketches or even just bullet points to map out the flow of your content. The key is to have a clear roadmap that guides you through the creation process. Don't be afraid to get creative and experiment with different approaches during the planning phase. This is your opportunity to explore new ideas and push the boundaries of what's possible. Sometimes the best ideas come from unexpected places. Keep an open mind and be willing to adapt as you go along. Remember, the planning and scripting stage is your blueprint for success. Take the time to do it right, and you'll set yourself up for a successful project.
Chapter 4. Visuals that pop, bringing your vision to life. It's time to talk visuals. In the world of multimedia, visuals are king. They're the first thing your audience sees, and they have the power to grab their attention, convey emotions, and make your content truly memorable. Remember Canva? Now's the time to put it to good use. Canva's library of templates, stock photos, illustrations, and design elements makes it easy to create eye-catching graphics, even if you don't have any prior design experience. One important tip to keep in mind is to keep your visuals consistent with your brand or the overall tone of your project. Choose a color palette, font style, and visual style that aligns with your message, and don't be afraid to experiment with different visual formats. Incorporate photos, videos, illustrations, icons, and even GIFs to add variety and keep your audience engaged.
Chapter 5. Audio Excellence Sounding Like a Pro. Welcome to the world where sound quality can elevate your project to new heights. We've covered visuals, but let's not forget about the power of sound. Sound is an integral part of any multimedia project, and mastering it can set you apart. High-quality audio can make or break your multimedia project. It's the difference between a professional production and an amateur one. Think about it. Have you ever watched a video with distracting background noise or muffled audio? It's frustrating and can ruin the entire experience. It instantly takes you out of the experience. Poor audio quality can make viewers lose interest quickly. That's where our friend Audacity comes in. This powerful free software can help you achieve professional-level audio quality. Audacity might seem intimidating at first, but trust me, it's incredibly user-friendly. With a bit of patience and practice, you'll find it to be an invaluable tool. With a little practice, you'll be recording and editing audio like a pro in no time. Start with simple recordings and gradually explore more advanced features. One of the most important things to remember when recording audio is to find a quiet space. A controlled environment can significantly improve your audio quality. Background noise can be a major distraction, so try to eliminate as much of it as possible. Use acoustic panels or even household items like blankets to dampen sound. When it comes to editing, take your time and experiment with different effects. Audacity offers a plethora of options to enhance your audio. Audacity offers a wide range of tools for cleaning up your audio, reducing noise, adjusting levels, and adding effects. Don't be afraid to explore and find what works best for your project. Use the equalizer to balance frequencies and the noise reduction tool to clean up any unwanted background sounds. These small adjustments can make a big difference. Finally, always listen to your final product with headphones to catch any imperfections. A polished audio track can elevate your project to a professional level. With high-quality audio, your audience will appreciate the effort and your project will stand out. Happy recording and editing.
And there you have it. 5 steps to mastering multimedia content creation. Remember, The key is to experiment, have fun, and let your creativity shine through. Don't be afraid to try new things, push your boundaries, and develop your own unique style. The more you create, the better you'll become. So, get out there, start experimenting, and see what amazing content you can create. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.